How to fix BlueStacks crashing on Windows. 1. Adjust the game settings. See details below. CPU, 4 cores. RAM, 4 GB. Note that this change will require a system restart. Graphics engine, performance. Graphics renderer, OpenGL. GPU settings, prefer dedicated graphics, NVIDIA only. ASTC, hardware decoding. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Close other unnecessary programs via WTM. 4. Turn off antivirus. 5. Enable virtualization in BIOS for BlueStacks. Hint, for newbies, read. Follow https://support.bluestacks.com/hc/n-us/article/3600581022522-how-for-BlueStacks-5. How to enable virtualization, VT, on Windows 10 for BlueStacks 5.